If your life feels messy right now, it's probably not because you're bad at life. It's because you're trying to run your brain like it's a storage unit. Loose goals, random to-do lists, half-finished notes. A calendar that's basically just vibes. Give me a minute and I'll show you a simple system that makes your life feel organized without turning you into a robot. And it works even if you're the kind of person who starts planners and abandons them like a gym membership in February. Here's the big idea. Your life only needs 3 buckets. That's it. 3. Not 12 categories, not a color-coded spreadsheet that makes you feel productive while your actual life stays the same. Bucket 1. Your targets. Most people say they want to get their life together, but they're aiming at nothing specific. So every day feels busy, but nothing moves. You wake up, do a bunch of stuff, answer texts, handle tasks, and at night you feel weirdly behind. Like you ran all day but didn't go anywhere. Pick 3 targets for the year. 1 health target, 1 money/career target, 1 personal target, skill, relationships, creativity, whatever matters. Write them in 1 sentence each. If you can't explain your target in 1 sentence, it's not a target, it's a wish. Now you've got direction. But direction doesn't fix chaos by itself. Bucket 2. Your weekly moves. You think you need daily motivation, but what you really need is a repeatable rhythm. Without one, you decide what to do every day and your brain picks the easiest option. Monday you're fired up, Tuesday you're tired, Wednesday you're catching up, Thursday you're stressed, Friday you say, I'll restart next week, and somehow weeks keep disappearing like socks in a dryer. For each target, choose 1 weekly move that makes progress unavoidable. Here are some examples. Your health target can be 3 workouts per week, or 8,000 steps 5 days. The money target can be publish 1 video, send 5 offers, apply to 10 jobs, whatever fits. Then, your personal target can be 1 class, 1 practice session, 1 date night, 1 long walk. You don't need the perfect plan. You need a plan you can repeat even when you're not feeling heroic. But here's where people still fall apart. It's bucket number 3. Life gets messy because there's no reset button. Stuff piles up mentally until your brain feels like a browser with 47 tabs open and one of them is playing music somewhere. You remember a bill while brushing your teeth. You remember an email while eating. You remember a goal while scrolling. So you're always thinking about life improvements but never actually steering them. Every day gets a 10-minute reset. Same time, same rules. Here's the reset. Brain dump. Write every worry, task, and random thought down on a piece of paper. Pick today's 3. The 3 actions that matter most, ideally tied to your targets. Block 1 move. Put 1 thing on your calendar for tomorrow or later today. A real block. Clean 1 surface. Desk, room corner, inbox, notes app, anything. Your environment is either helping your brain or bullying it. The reason it works is simple. You're not relying on being on top of things. You're building a structure that catches you when life gets loud. Start tonight. Write 3 targets. Choose 1 weekly move for each. Set a daily reset time. Then tomorrow, when your brain tries to pull you into chaos, you already know what bucket it goes in and what you're doing next.